Quick overview of the 110 volt power, 3 gallon a minute pure water ProTool stainless steel frame RO/DI cart. It's a choice. You get to run RO or DI at 3.5 gallons a minute with appropriate input water. It goes through the carbon filter here, and then the water goes into the pump on the back. The pump then sends it up through this manifold system directly into the RO membrane at the top. And the water that is coming out of the permeate, which is what it's called, can be diverted with the blue handle to go through the DI if you want 0 ppm, or you're happy with the RO for solar panels or other types of cleaning. Maybe you're soft wash cleaning because you don't want to dirty up the house, and you can get that 3 gallon a minute into your tank for your pressure washer. The gauge here tells you your output pressure. This is your current input pressure on this side on that gauge, and the little motor sits down at the bottom and you just hook it up to 110 power. Stainless steel ProTool cart, not going to rust out on you. Beautiful thing. Nice and pretty too.